ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this the news beat presented to you by ladies like and Jet Santino. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow. Sub-Saharan Africa is one of the world's fastest growing regions, and by 2040, most of the Africans will be part of their surging urban populations.
However, in many African cities, managing urban growth has become an uphill challenge due to inadequate disaster preparedness, weak local governments, poverty and climate change.
Many sub-Saharan cities are vulnerable to a wide range of man-made and natural hazards, like infectious and parasitic diseases, traffic injuries and disasters like floods. Because they lack professional personnel and financial resources to prepare the natural disasters and man-made crises.
Uncontrolled growth has also given rise to unregulated informal settlements, along with chronic air pollution, congestion and poor waste management.
Sierra Leone's capital Freetown recently suffered severe floods and mudslides, which were attributed to deforestation and unregulated construction on the capital's hillsides.
So far, over 1,000 people have died in the wake of the devastation, and thousands of people living in risk areas during heavy rains now face evacuation.
Many African cities like Kampala, Accra, Nairobi, Dakar and Monrovia have also experienced small and large disasters in the recent years, like floods, massive structure collapse, fire outbreaks and disease epidemics.
Some natural disasters are expected to become frequent due to the changing rainfall cycle, according to the academics. Have you ever seen a solution falling from the sky? Well, keep an eye. Here is why. Many African countries have valleys and hills so hard to cross, which leads to loss of lives that could be saved. If only the roads are paved in the rainy season, infrastructure should not be the reason. Hospitals that are very remote often deal with a shortage of blood. This is a life-threatening situation for women with birth complications. Rwanda started the revolution, fueling faster blood transfusion. A team of smart minds made a drone called Zipline that can supply remote clinics with necessary medical products. A drone is like a small plane without a pilot. It finds its way through the GPS location and drops the ordered package on each destination within 93 miles of its warehouse station. Now in January, Tanzania is set to launch the same project, but it's huge. The drones will make 2,000 deliveries per day, supplying 1,000 health centers without delay, with blood, vaccines and drugs for malaria, a major killer in Tanzania. In Dodoma, the drone delivery service will cut the delivery bill with $58,000 a year. The world is looking at this delivery pioneer, but also to this story there is another side. Drones are not always liked. Because the military uses drones that are weaponized, there is need for strict regulations in each nation so that no threats circle above our heads. As for now, the world is watching Zipline. Let's see what's next for Africa in the innovation pipeline.
Sugarcane may be destined for more than pure consumption. It may provide a solution to some of the challenges we face with menstruation. Here is more information. 1 in 10 girls in sub-Saharan Africa misses her classes during menstruation. This causes girls frustration and may sometimes result into dropping out of school. It's easy to say there are sanitary pads for sale, but not everyone has the money to afford them. As natural as these monthly cycles are, some people will not participate in the conversation. EcoSmart Pads is a startup company in Uganda. They are young entrepreneurs who want to do something about the problems girls face. They even won a $10,000 grant from the UN for their innovation for taking part of the solution. Noel Aranijuka, the CEO of EcoSmart Pads, with her partners, have a sweet alternative to help young girls. Eco-friendly sanitary pads made out of sugarcane byproducts. Sugarcane is affordable and has lots of fiber that can be processed to create a soft absorbent material. This might be the startup for their company, but they won't stop until they get the best quality for the students who are using the pads. A girl should not miss school because it's that time of the month. We have to talk about this openly, because by doing so, we are empowering the future economically and literally.
Here, ma'am, take this doll. I don't want it anymore.
Why? I thought this was your favorite doll.
No, I don't like her. She doesn't look like me. When I look in the mirror, this is not what I see. I'm an African girl. I'm not a Muzungu. Mom, I want a doll that looks like I do.
Well, you are in luck. There's a new doll in town. An African doll, so beautiful and brown. Ntomb'entle dolls are on the market. If you see this doll, I know you will want it. Molemo Ngomo met them in South Africa, and the dolls were inspired by her daughter. She realized there were no pretty black dolls, so she made some just for African girls.
Wow, they have nice skin, hair, eyes, and curves.
Yes, It's just a doll every African girl deserves. Even the fabrics and beads are from South Africa, representing 8 different ethnic cultures, from Zulu and Sotho to Songa and Sosa.
Do you think there'll be one for Uganda?
They plan to include other African communities, so kids on the African continent can see their own beauty. Ntomb'entle dolls can help build self-esteem.
That's cool. So what does Ntomb'entle mean?
In Zulu, it means a beautiful girl just like you. And if you like them, I'll buy one just for you.
Thank you, but you know what would be cool? Instead of just one, you buy me 2.
That was the news on the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still Ladies Like and Jay Sentino, reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, follow the beat.